Today I want to talk about Spotify model, how to measure success within this model, and want to share some trends and innovations in Agile practices. So key metrics to track from the first main point from Spotify model, it's team autonomy and satisfaction. To check really, is it your team really autonomous and satisfied? You can conduct regular surveys to gauge team morale and autonomy. You can use SharePoint with their forms to conduct the surveys in your company. Secondly, you need to deliver speed and quality. To check this point, you need to track metrics like cycle time, deployment frequency, and defect rates. From the perspective of innovation rate, you can measure the number of new features or improvement delivered. So what tools and techniques you can use? You can use dashboards in tools like Jira or Trello to visualize progress. You need to conduct regular retrospectives to identify areas for improvement. Also, don't forget about velocity. Measure the amount of work a team completes within a sprint. It will help in understanding the team's capacity and forecasting future sprints. Also, first thing we mentioned, cycle time. The time taken from starting work on a task to its completion. We can indicate process efficiency and helps in identifying bottlenecks. Secondly, we need to defect density, the number of defects per unit of work, per story point or per function. You can use it. Also reflects the quality of the code and effectiveness of the testing process. Don't forget about the dashboard with sprint goal completion rate, percentage of sprint goals achieved by the end of the sprint. Shows how well the team meets its commitments and plans work. Also, customer satisfaction. You can measure customer satisfaction through surveys and feedback. Also provides insight into the value delivered and areas for improvement. So by tracking those metrics, team can gain valuable insights into their performance, identify areas for improvement, and ensure they're delivering high quality work efficiently. So how leaders can support and drive the Spotify model? If you are that leader who are implementing this model. So first thing, you need to empower teams. Trust teams to make decisions and provide them with the resources they need. Secondly, promote a learning culture. Encourage continuous learning and development through training and workshops. Facilitate communication, ensure regular tribe syncs and guilds meetings to foster cross-team collaboration. From the leadership actions, you need to be actively involved in change management. You need to provide clear vision and objectives. Recognize and celebrate team achievement during retrospective and on daily basis. Also emerging trends and innovations in Agile practices. So don't forget that AI is coming, everything is changing. And we can talk about AI and some new automation, leveraging AI and automation to enhance testing, code reviews, project management. Secondly, we can talk about Scaled Agile framework. You can implement SAFe in your organization because more organizations are adopting frameworks like SAFe to scale Agile practices across multiple teams. So if you have more than 20-30 teams in your company, easily implement SAFe. And thirdly, DevOps integration, closer integration of development and operations to streamline deployments and improve feedback loops. So for future direction, I can recommend focus on the continuous delivery and deployment from DevOps side, increase emphasis on agile metrics and data-driven decision-making, expand use of remote and hybrid work models, to leverage global talents, and be proactive, be a good facilitator, provide transparent communication inside your teams, and everything will be agile. Thank you a lot.